I'm at Ethernet Expo Americas 2012 and I'm speaking with Paul Savill from Level 3. So Paul, you talked this morning about network management. And what kind of advances has Level 3 made in that area in the last couple of years?
Sure, one of the things that we're doing now is that we're deploying NIDs on basically every Ethernet circuit that we deploy off-net. So what that's doing is it's made a big difference in our ability to troubleshoot our customers' services end-to-end and roll those NID performance statistics up at an aggregated level and provide that view for that through our portal. It's also helped us in terms of just our service delivery, because whenever we've got a device there on site that as we're deploying a service out, then checking through to make sure that we've got everything that we need from a performance standpoint for the circuit end-to-end and that's working properly is helping us deploy our services much more fast as well.
Would it make your life easier then if you were able to deploy virtual NIDs?
Well, virtual NIDs are very interesting to us because we think that it solves a basic problem with the industry, that a lot of us are over-investing in capital as we deploy Ethernet services to the end, to the customer premises. Many times we're in a situation where when we buy an off-net Ethernet access loop from another carrier to reach our customer's premise, they're deploying a NID so that they can do performance management on the service that they provide to us.
Yeah.
And then we double that down by deploying a NID ourselves. And so virtual NID technology, we really are big believers in that because we just think the industry would benefit in whole from faster service delivery and from a lower capital cost structure by using virtual NIDs where we can all see the performance of that circuit.
Paul, what is Level 3 doing in the metro network these days? I understand you're investing in PON technology now.
Well, we are. We're continuing to expand out our metro network very aggressively. We really believe in deploying fiber and extending the edge of our fiber network to these locations.
Okay.
And many people, know that Level 3 is very rich in fiber as a company. Our wide area network is very rich in fiber in many of our core metro. But as we get further and further out to the edge, and as we do more expansion, or sometimes we get fiber through somebody else, then that fiber is not as dense. And we find that the PON technology is something that we think is going to help us further lower our cost structure and service those metro locations.
Now, SDN, that's a hot topic. Is Level 3 interested in software-defined networking?
Yes, it is something that we're very interested in and we're watching closely. We've been talking to a lot of our vendors about SDN and the implications of that for the network. But of course, SDN is something that has been led by the data center operators, and Level 3 operates in that space as well, and so we're looking at that technology. But what we're really seeing is that as that technology emerges in the data center, that it has a translation into the network connectivity between those data centers, and so we're watching this because we really do see a lot of benefits from SDN as the technology moves into the core network from both a capital efficiency standpoint and an operational efficiency standpoint.
And finally, Paul, what would be your favorite movie of all time?
That would be The Lord of the Rings.
Okay. You're sticking with that one.
I am.
Excellent.
Okay.
Paul,
right.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.